Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है वुमेन्स 62 यानी 62 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले का। यूपी दंगल की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की नवजोत कौर। Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में महिलाओं के 62 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए स्तुति पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की अनीता।
There we have Navjot Kaur from the UP Dangal team at the age of 29. Weighing in at 62 kilograms, coming in bout number 4. She battles it out against Anita from the Stuti Punjab Royals at the age of 33. From India, both these wrestlers. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. This is your host Sarthak, and I'm joined now in the commentary box by the CEO of the Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra. Sunil, we saw them fight it out yesterday. It was a cracker, one each, and they're back on the mat today.
Oh man, that was one hell of a bout, 1-all, and Punjab.
We saw Navjot winning it by the last point scored. Navjot lost it, and by just 1 point. I mean, that is how close it was.
Yes, it was. And speaking to Navjot last night, oh, there she goes.
Brilliant. Straight away.
In fact, it's going to be a change in the script today because Navjot was furious with herself. She was crying out in the dugout, but people were a little up.
Navjot, the first Indian woman wrestler to win an Asian Championship gold medal. A lot of pride at stake here.
Yesterday we spoke about how Anita was an inspirational story, but Navjot is no less. Comes from Taran village here, and she's lost like 14 kgs. Yes, she used to compete in 72 plus category, and she's come down to 65. That's an amazing achievement. Her diet is monitored, her work ethics and her exercise regime are all monitored to the T, and she's made a comeback at 62 from season 1, from 76 to 62. Amazing.
Absolutely, the stories of these women are inspiring to the core. Anita, Haryana Cop, comeback from motherhood, and now Navjot making a comeback. The comeback women empowerment at its best here.
And these women are almost touching 30. You know, so the best part is one is a 33-year-old cop mom and the other is a almost 30-year-old. But look at them. Look at the way out.
At the biggest league in the world, the wrestling proficiency in the league is absolutely top-notch.
Well, you said it.
2-0, Navjot leading. She wants this one. She's coming back from a tough loss last night. She wanted that. It went down to the wire. And she wants to race up early in the first round here.
You know, at times loss does good to you. And this is what has done to Navjot. She's fired up.
She's fired up, absolutely. The loss has brought out a stronger Navjot here.
Anita, after the win yesterday, is brimming with confidence. Somehow, I think she's not putting the techniques behind on the attack, and that's what is causing problem.
As we close in on the final 30 seconds of round number 1, grappling each other, looking for a takedown. Navjot clearly the more aggressive in this first round. Anita needs to bring back the form she brought on the mat yesterday. A lot of collar ties here. As we close in on the first round, we have Navjot leading in strength, in agility, and absolutely dominating a large chunk of that round. Anita would want to bring back the victory form that she had yesterday on the mat against Navjot.
Contact.
Grappling it out. Navjot, the gold medalist at the Asian Championship. Anita, the gold medalist at the National Championship.
Contact.
Both these women, pride of India, battling it out in the first semi-final of the Pro Wrestling League. And there we see Navjot with a takedown, looking for a leg lace.
Accelerate.
She's raced up to 4 points in no time. Sarthak, we see more points coming in right now. Navjot is on fire. She has a mission to accomplish, and that can be seen on her face. Absolutely. The loss yesterday has really brought out the best in her. We can see that. You know, I spoke to her and she said she literally froze. And Alka Tomar, her coach, said that, you know, there was nothing she could do. She just was like a... Oh, she froze again. And there you see, clearly Anita coming back here, looking for a massive takedown. And Anita is back in it in no time with a roll. Alligator roll, as we call it here. She's raised to 6 points. The Studi Punjab Royals are back in this one. We see massive turnarounds in this league, and this is clearly going to be one of them. 4-4 here as we close in. The captain Bajrang Punia looking on. That is how well Anita rolling her opponent there in style. The girl from Haryana, the cop, is definitely putting her power behind. She knows she's behind and she has to make something really brilliant. A medical timeout here. Navjot limping. Extremely demanding sport. They were battling it just some hours back last evening, and they're back on the mat to battle it out in the first semi-final. Well, this looks like a little painful injury. If this goes, then she would be in a spot of bother. She is. You could see it on her face. That was an intense single leg hold by Anita on Navjot's leg, and you can see the pain that Navjot is in on her face. But the champions that these girls are, they don't give up. No, they don't. In fact, they're not only fighting for themselves, but fighting for the state, the franchisee. Clearly Navjot struggling. Clearly. That's Dharampal, the owner of the Punjab franchisee. But look at her. Look at the Punjab girl just pushing. She's like a bulldozer, just going forward. Both these women showing absolute will here. In pain, not letting the pain get the better of them. So that's Mr. Mohit Barman of the Dabur family. No finger. They need to regain their composure. They're holding on, recovering from the pain. One of them is going to go for the leg here as we head into the final 30 seconds. It's going to be the most engrossing 30 seconds. Those big, real... Oh. There you see Navjot coming back into it. She needs to bring the form she brought in round number 1 if she wants to seal this. Well, Anita has already made a comeback from point behind. 15 seconds, is that what separates the Punjab from victory and Navjot? Can she do it? They're praying. Can Navjot rise for the UP Dangal team here? Can she take the bout? Oh, there, Anita with a takedown. Navjot in extreme pain. Navjot is hurt, and you could say this bout is over. She is in pain. Those pictures, those images speak 1,000 words. She is badly hurt. This is excruciating pain for Navjot, as she was still fighting it out, but this one is just too unbearable for her. I think the ankle got entangled, and she was already limping in pain in the first. Look at this. She tried, and that's how you see it. Navjot, the fighter that she is, but Anita holding on to the leg firmly giving no room for Navjot to come into this bout. Her left ankle severely injured here.
Navjot is in deep trouble. She is crying. And the medical help, I think she'll have to be
As she's
pushed.
being escorted out of the mat.
Well, this is one of the sad moments of wrestling, where you have a player, a wrestler limping out, and you could see Anita is not celebrating at all. She could see and feel her pain. That's the beauty of this game.
And there we have it.
You don't have
Anita wins it for the Stuti Punjab Royals. Navjot in tears, being carried out. One of those sad moments that we witness in the world of sport. Stuti Punjab Royals now have raced up, and there we have the final score. Anita winning it 8-4. The women's 62 kilograms category. There we have it. A bout that started on equal footage. Both of them were looking extremely aggressive, and all of a sudden we saw Anita turn it around for the Stuti Punjab Royals. She's registered a win again. She won yesterday against Navjot. You see how well she
right there.
absolutely. This was one of the most crucial stages of this bout, where she turned it, took Anita down, took Navjot down, and Navjot could not return back.